Hi, welcome to my channel Takniki Gyan Guru. Today we will discuss what is Fibonacci in C. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of two preceding one. Typically starting with 0 and 1, it begins as 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and so on, with each subsequent number being the sum of the two preceding number. What does that mean? It means it begins with 0 and 1, and then we have to add 0 plus 1 equals to 1, then 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 2 plus 1 equals 3, and 2 plus 3 equals to 5. This way we can go on, right? So we have to add two numbers before two numbers, right? So let's understand. Like 0 and 1, two number is there. Now we have to add 0 and 1, it become 1 equals to 1, right? Now these two number is done, then we will add 1 plus 1 equals to 2, then these two is done. Let's add 1 plus 2 equals to 3, and this is done. Now uh, 2 plus 3 equals to 5, and 3 plus 5 equals to 8, and then this will go on, right? So this is the Fibonacci series. Let's do a demo. So now we are in Visual Studio Code. Let's understand what we have done. In the main function, this will be the starting point. One variable terms is being created, and we are asking user to enter a number, right? Enter a number so that the using this number, our Fibonacci series will be print the number of terms, right? How many terms you want to enter? Like five terms. If you enter five, it will print five numbers, right? Fibonacci series. And how will generate? This is the function we are passing the number, and this number will be generated through this function, and we are returning 0, right? So how will do it? So let's understand the function. Generate function, we are having the terms called name. We are defining 0 and second one, first 0, second one, and next I, right? So first of all, we will print Fibonacci series up to d. Percent d means we are printing the number n. So the Fibonacci series up to 5. If we are printing 5, then we will say it is 5, right? So let's understand. If suppose I we are passing um, I n equals to 5. If we are printing 5, then I will be I will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I equal to 0 to I is less than n, right? Less than n means I is 5, right? So it will work 0 to 4, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5 term, but 0 to 4. The loop will be run 0 to 4 means 5 terms, right? 5 time it will run, but 0 to 4. So how it will do? So let's understand, like I is less than 1. If I equal to 0 or 1, then next will be I also, right? So how, let's do some code. Let me write. So yeah, I have done this. Now let's understand the code. Like if I pass 5, right? 5, it means it will print 5 time, right? So I will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 time, 5 time the loop will be run, right? So let's say the first time, right? If I equals to 0, I equals to 0, then I 0 is less than 1, then this condition is true. The next will be I, then the n will be 0, right? The next one ends, I just mentioned next is n. So n will be 0, and then this condition is not is false, it will not go to this condition, and then it will print the next mean your 0, right? The first time it will print 0, then I will become 1, next time I become 1, then 1 is less than equals to 1, then again it will come to this condition, the next equals to 1, right? So I equal to 1, then next equal to again 1, then it will not go to, it will not go to this condition, and print will be 1 again, right? The next I will be 2, right? And 2 is less than equals to 0, this condition will be false, it will go to the else condition. Then next will be first plus second, right? Next n will be first equals to 0, and second will be 1. So 0 plus 1 1, right? So n will be 1, and first will be second, so second is 1, so first will be second, and second will be n, right? Second equals to next, so next is our 1, so it will be 1. So next will be 1, first will be 1, second will be 1. So then if next is 1, it will print 1. So of 0 0 1, then 1, right? I equals 2, so then 1 will be printed. Next will be 3, right? So I will be 3. 3 is less than equals to 1, no, 3 is greater than 1, then it will come to else. Then next will be first plus second again, right? So 3, the first is 1, second is 1 again, so n will be 2, right? So n will be 2, and first will be second, right? It will, move the values, or swap the values, right? So n will be first plus second, 1 plus 2, first plus second, and first will be second 1, the first will be second, will swap the number, and second will be next, and next is our 2, so it will be 2. So this time I equals to 3, and will be 2, first will be 1, second will be 2. So this time we will print, and the n equals to 2, this time it will print 2. Next, the fourth time, the last time 4, I equals to 4, then I, this condition is again 4, 4 is greater than 1, then it will come to this condition. And then next will be again first plus second, right? Here I equals to 4, first plus second, the first is 1 and second is 2, so first plus 2 3, and first will be second, the second is 2, the first equals to 2, and s equals to equals to n next, right? So next is 3, so equals to 3, then it will, go on, right? So next it will print 3, next 3 will be print, so 3 will be print. Now how this will print, like 0 0 1, all the n, right? 0, then n1, then 1, then 2, then 3, this will be print, right? So let's run this one and see. So it is asking me, how many terms. Okay, I want to print 5 time, right? And enter. See, 0 1 1 2 3. Suppose I want to print more, right? Let's see. Okay, let's say I want to print 10 time, and it will print 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 34, right? 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 13 21, 21 plus 13 34. So this way this will run. So this is called Fibonacci series. So the Fibonacci series is done. We have tried to understand, what is Fibonacci series, and also build a code in C also. So this will end to our video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Also, do you want to discuss, or do you want to have some video on your topic? Just comment us, we will definitely come back with solution and discuss on your choice only. So till then, thank you so much and bye.